Hello guys, welcome to a new easy tutorial video where today I will show you how to create a colorful intro in After Effects. So let's start. First we are going to create a new composition. I'm just using the full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 5 seconds long. First let's add a background. Right-click in this area and select New, Solid. You can choose any color you want. I will use this dark gray. Let's type in some text. You can add your logo too, but in this tutorial we are going to use a text layer. Select your text and then go to Layer and click on Auto Trace. I am keeping its default settings but you can change it if you want. Auto Trace will create a work path of your text or logo. We are going to use this path to create the animation, but this path is not perfect. As you can see, some curves are not okay, but you can fix this by dragging like this. Take your time and adjust them until you are satisfied with the path. Go to the Effects and Presets tab and type in Stroke. Drag this effect on our path layer. You can hide your mask by clicking on this icon. Now we can delete the text layer. Go to the stroke effect and make sure to check on all masks. Let's change our stroke color to blue so we can see it. Increase the brush size till it covers all your text shape. Also change the brush hardness to 100% and the spacing to 0%. Now, from this menu, select Reveal Original Image, then unselect Stroke sequentially from here. Move your cursor to 1 second and click on this stopwatch to create a keyframe. Also change this value to 0. Now move the cursor to 3 seconds and change this value to 100. Select the layer and click Q on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Select both of them, then right-click, select Keyframe Assistant and Easy Ease. Now click on the graphic editor and do like this. For now our animation looks like this. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and type in Fill. Take the effect and apply it to your text layer, then change the color from red to something cool. Select the layer and duplicate it 4 times. Change the fill color to something different for each new layer created. Now drag each layer but the bottom one like this, to add some dynamic animation. To make your top layer look more smooth, select all your bottom layers and press T to open the opacity settings. Now set keyframes like this to turn down the opacity. Let's check our result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial about how to create a colorful logo animation in After Effects. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. See you soon.